What's up, fellow backyard adventurers? It's Jeff and the boys back one more time in the workshop for 2022. We're here to celebrate Christmas with you, and what Christmas is complete without some hot cocoa? And what hot cocoa is complete without mini marshmallows? But we just can't put the mini marshmallows into the hot cocoa because that's not how we do things here. So today, we are going to make marshmallow shooters because that's what we do here. We do fun builds to have great fun in our backyard and sometimes in our basement when it's the holidays and it's rainy and cold outside. Well, before we start building, here's a quick montage to show you how we got to this point here. You're gonna need 10 feet of half-inch PVC pipe. I've pre-cut this in half because that's the only way I can fit it in my car. This is about $5 at Lowe's or Home Depot. And then I've got a bag of couplings, a bag of tees, a bag of elbows, and actually 2 bags of elbows. And each bag of those connectors are much cheaper to buy than by the 10 pack, and these were about $5 a bag. So altogether we're at about $25, and this should give you about 5 shooters, so it's about $5 each. So the best way to get smooth cuts when you're cutting PVC is to use a PVC cutter like this, but as you can see mine is actually broken, as well as it's more time consuming to make each cut this way. But instead, I'm going to take my chop saw here because we don't need 100% perfect cuts for this. And I put this guide block at 2 inches here so that it's perfectly 2 inches from the blade. Because I think we're gonna cut 10 2-inch pieces and then a bunch of 5-inch pieces. Because we're not building these guns to specific plans. Rather, I wanna try to build a kit that we can kind of mix and match pieces and build all sorts of different guns with. So since that's what we're going for, we're gonna keep the 2-inch pieces and 5-inch pieces. And why those two will make sense in a few minutes. And I made a mistake. I thought it would save me time by cutting them with the chop saw instead of the PVC cutters, but anytime I saved in cutting them, I'm gonna have to spend cleaning up all these little flakes of PVC. But on the other hand, this is our holiday special, so let it snow! Now it's time to start assembling. We're gonna let everybody assemble this however they want. But let me just show you one thing. This is why I cut them in 5-inch lengths and then 2-inch lengths. If you take it to 2-inch lengths, you put them into a T, like so. They are now the same length as a 5-inch piece, more or less. So they will help build the structure in a way that makes sense. And the one thing you gotta make sure of is that each gun only has 2 openings. The end that you load it from and blow in, and then the end the projectile marshmallow shoots from. I think I'm gonna build one for Miles because he's not gonna understand what we're doing here exactly.
Do I need to use one of the big pieces?
Hold on, did I forget to get caps? Problem I'd run to when I ran to the hardware store is I could not find the end caps. So that's gonna limit a little bit the way that we can build these. We can do this,
Daddy,
and we can do this.
Daddy, make I want to try out.
And this.
Daddy, make I want to try out.
And this. And then we're gonna put one here.
Daddy, can we do this? Wait.
So then we have a square, we have a couple handles there. And then we're gonna put one of these on the end.
Daddy, look, mine's cool.
And then
Daddy,
tap all
mine's
that
done. Daddy, mine's done. What's
Yeah.
mine?
There we go. So that's a fairly basic one with 2 handles. Like I said, if we had found the end caps, you could make these just kind of dead end, but... Whoa. That was cool. Merry Christmas!
Wait.
Huh? Oh no, it doesn't have a blowhole. So if you load that in there...
Merry Christmas!
Oh man! You would think that it would fall down these tees, but it really doesn't. As long as you give it that hard blow, it'll shoot straight through. Load it in like that, and then... That's the beauty, like I said, you can build these and then there's no need to glue them together. You can pull them apart after the fact and build them in whatever way you want. It's not too difficult, just don't jam them too tightly on there. But as we work on that, Ethan, what has been your favorite video that we've done this year? How about the gravity cart build? Was that a fun build?
Yeah, that was my best build.
That was one of your favorite, the gravity cart? We had fun with that. And then you could put an end piece on there.
Daddy, watch your live build of this
Cap
one.
that. And that could be a double-ended one. It could shoot either way.
Daddy.
PVC.
Daddy.
Snow. Make sure all the PVC snow is out before you try to shoot this into your hot cocoa. What about the backyard bike trail ones? Were those fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had fun. We had fun upgrading you guys' bikes. Was another fun thing. What do you think it would make it around those corners? How it doesn't have the straight shot? If we put it in this end, let's see. Oh. Hey! It still works. So you can do a little snake gun. Oh, we could even have the snake. The Snake 2022. Patent pending.
I'm doing that.
right in the head. Whoa. 2 came out that time. Sometimes they might get clogged, but they work pretty good. Oh, I almost forgot about the backyard campsite. That was so much fun. And we're gonna have tons of fun back there in the future, camping out back there. That's something that we've spent a lot of time on, but it will be an asset to our backyard adventures here for years to come. Hold on, what were we trying to do here? Oh, I remember. It was a bad idea to do all these marshmallows right before dinner. Yeah, so we got several different gun designs that are all working great. And we're gonna see if anybody has aim to get these to land in a cup of hot cocoa. 2, 1, fire. Now that is what I call a fun-size adventure holiday activity. If you want to know more about another activity that includes PVC pipe, check out this video right here where we make some homemade bow and arrows and have a blast with them. Until next time, get out there and have a fun-size adventure
Of your